Welcome to pie chart. Pie chart is always represented as circle cut into several pieces, but you always need to remember that the percentage total is always 100%. And when it's represented as fraction, then the total fraction is always 1. To put it into perspective, let's see this example. If your pie chart If a part of your pie chart is exactly half of the circle, that means it's 50%. If it's exactly quarter, then it's 25%. If you have 15% in it and you want to change it into fraction, you can always write it as 15 over 100, simplified into 3 over 20. Now, how many percent and what fraction is the unknown part, the orange part? Remember that the total percentage is 100, so 100 minus 50 minus 25 minus 15 is 10%. While the fraction, the total is always 1, so 1 minus half minus a quarter minus 3 over 20, the answer is 1 over 10. Next, let's say the total data in this pie chart is 60. What we want to know is how many data are there in the half part. We can start by writing 50 over 100 because 50% is 50 over 100 times 60. The answer is 30. Or you can use the fraction. Half times 60 equals to 30. The way is the same. You just need to multiply it by the total data. Let's try again. If this 15% wants to be turned into a number of data, so 15% is 15 over 100 times 60 equals to 9. In fraction, 3 over 20 times 60 equals to 9. Again, next, if we only know a part of it, how do we know the rest of it? Well, let's say we know that this 10% is 40 people. We can make an equation as in 10% equals to 40. When you change it to 1%, you divide it by 10, so 40 divided by 10 is 4. Now you know that 1% is 4, you can find anything. Actually, it is a very good idea to always find what is the 1% of it, so that you can find either any part of the pie chart or the whole pie chart. For example, if you want to know how many people are there in the 50%, you just need to multiply the 50 by 4, 200. If you want to know the total, then 4 will be just multiplied by 100 because 100% is the total. Next, if there are 50 data and the orange part is 5 data only, how do we change that into fraction? Well, how do we change that into fraction and percentage? Well, to change it into fraction, it will be easy. That will be just 5 out of 50, written as 5 over 50, simplified into 1 over 10. To change it to percentage, 5 over 50 is multiplied by 100% equals to 10%. That's all, and thank you. Good luck.